This iPhone camera is very easy to use. Open the camera app and by default it opens in photo mode. Use the zoom button to zoom in or out. Swipe left or right to switch between photo and video mode. Use the zoom button to zoom in or out. Tap the screen to focus and adjust brightness by sliding your finger up or down. To switch camera, tap the rotate icon. With these basics, you can take great photos and video anytime.